I will explain very detailed on how to use this strategy. So guys, please focus on this method to effectively use this strategy in winning the jackpot. You will be amazed on the result, a never before seen technique. The 073 lottery method. 35 combination without 0, 7, and 3. Okay? A 35 combination without 0, 7, and 3. As you can see, I generated a 35 combination without 0, 7, and 3. Now, we will use this combination, but we will filter the current draws. Example of the current draws are 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 8, and 5, 4, 7. We will get the pairs of each current draw. So the pair for 3, 6, 9 is 3, 6, 6, 9, 9, 3. The pair for 1, 2, 8 is 1, 2, 8, 2, 18. The pair of 5, 4, 7 is 5, 4, 4, 7, and 7, 5. Now, we will use this pair to lesser the combination, the 35 combination. But, the pair is 52 pairs. It composed of 52 pairs. Now, we will only use 3 current pairs for each combination. The 3 pairs. So this is composed of 9 pairs against 52. Imagine we can filter this combination plus the 0, 7, 3 without 0, 7, 3. Okay? This is to trap the winning combination. So now we will proceed in filtering. Okay. The 35 combination without 0, 7, 3, we will filter this 35 combination, remove the pairs. So, 3, 6, there is a 3 and 9, 3. So, we will only remove 6, 9 pair. Okay? So, I already put a red box on every combination that is supposed to be removed. 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, and 6, 9. Okay? Now, after the elimination process, using the current pairs, we can filter our winning combination. Okay. After elimination, we have 12 combination left. As you can see, we have filtered the pairs. We are now left with 12 combinations. Fully targeted combinations you can use for your plays and bets. Imagine we filter the 073 plus the current pairs. You are guaranteed to win in next draws. And the important key is to maintain until the combination is hit. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategy and tips. Thank you.